أهلا رمضان يا شهر الإحسان، شهر الغفران رمضان رمضان، شهر الغفران رمضان 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 رمضان.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello civil engineers and welcome to the 13th episode of CIVIL53, the building executions, steps and tips. Before we jump in and start the 13th episode, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Step 13. Lintel over door window. The lintel is constructed on the window and door to support the masonry work over it. After this, further masonry work is done. Tip 13. Understand the contract you are signing. You are going to be working with this builder for months. Establish expectation from both sides. Always list in details anything that you expect the builder to do, even if the contract does not specify. So by this we can conclude the 13th episode of CIVIL53, the building executions, steps and tips. See you tomorrow at the same time, Insha Allah.